In this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer file using WeTransfer. First of all, go to WeTransfer.com and then click on accept all cookies and then click on I agree. We can send file and we can also send a folder. We can send up to 2 GB for free. To send file, click on add file and then select your file and open it. Enter your recipient email address here. Put your email here. And then if you want to change the title, you can. If you want, you can give some message here. After fill up all the information, click on three dot icon. We will create a link because it's easy to send multiple people. If you want, you can choose the expire in the free version. 3 and 7 days only available. I will keep it 7 days. Then click on get link. Now you have to verify your email address. WeTransfer will send an email with verification code. Open a new tab and go to your gmail.com. Copy the code and paste here and click on verify and send. The file will upload WeTransfer server and then we will get a link. Then click on copy link. Using this link, anyone can download this file within 3 days. After 3 days, the link will expire. That's how we can send file to others using WeTransfer. Now anyone can download this file using this link. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tech tutorial.